Hi guys, Emmanuel Vendette, multihullsworld. Today we'll discover the Nautitech 41S. We are in La Rochelle. Let's go. Hello Maya.
Hi Emmanuel.
How are you?
Good, good. Good to have you on board.
Yeah, it's fine. So we are about the Nautitech 41S.
Yes.
And let's have a tour.
Yes, we will have a tour together today. So let me introduce myself first. So I'm Maya Gauthier, I'm Nautitech Sales and Marketing Director. I'm working for the shipyard since 7 years now. And that's the third model I did for Nautitech with the
Congrats.
same team. So this boat is also...
You know your business now.
Yeah, I'm trying. No, it's a Lombard, Anglais and Nautitech project. So we have the same architects and the same interior designer since the 44. So that was a good team to work together
Same
for this.
team. Yeah,
Yes,
okay.
same team.
Okay.
So let's start with the Helm station.
Yeah,
You
so
know
typical
Nautitech.
from Nautitech. Yeah, that's it.
Yes, that's true. That's Nautitech signature. We have this boss aft helm station, so that the best place to stay connected to the crew first. So for safety and conviviality, that's perfect. That's also the best place to have a good view on the sails and a very easy docking because you are close to the dock. You have also a steering system with a very short cable, so the steering sensation is very good. So that's the most advantage of this helming position. So what we cannot see, but that I will explain, it's an evolution and an innovation on this 41 Type S, is the shape of the hull. As the Lombard team worked on a concave design of the bottom of the hull.
Just rear and just we can have a look.
Yes, you see how the water is going out from the hull, so that's very silent and also very clean and smooth. So that's really linked to this shape of the hull. So that's something that will serve the performance of the boat. As the main challenge of this boat was to work on the weight, to have a light boat for good performance. So if we move forward, so let's start on the side decks. If you want to go first, Emmanuel.
Yeah.
So here we have the big trampoline, less GRP, more trampoline. That's also for the weight saving. With the nice view on the hydronet sails that we have on this hull number 1.
Yeah, it's
So
fine.
you have beautiful genoa and the square top mainsail. And you see the boom is very low, so that gives you a very nice and safe access to the boom if you have to store your sail. So if we continue, so you have the nice and wide steps, and it's very easy to come when you have to furl and to store your sails.
Yeah, it's
Black
really
mast.
fine. Yeah, so,
So
it's not carbon, but
No,
it's
that's
like
a black painted mast, black lacquered, but that's also part of, I would say, the sporty look of the boat. With 2 big sail storage at the front. You have also the mooring locker, the windlass and the anchor on this side of the boat. And then if we are going back, you see at the helm you have Henri Paul Schiffman, that's the architect of the boat.
So Henri Paul.
So he's doing test
We
sail
say
with us.
HP.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice.
We have the maneuvers coming back to the helm station, and it's well balanced on starboard and port side with the main sheet rail on the aft. So you can manage and see all your ropes from the cockpit.
Okay, so let's see inside. And you said just before an interesting thing that the tables are the same, in fact.
Yes, table inside and outside are the same size, same plate. So you can lower the pedestal and having like a nice lounge bed inside or outside with an additional mattress. You have also more or less the same volume inside and outside. So you can live either outside or inside, depending on the weather. You are coming in this nice galley So where you have all the necessary equipment with the oven, the burner stove, and an integrated fridge just behind the door. So all necessary appliances. And one big stuff and one big evolution is this totally open bulkhead.
So yeah, you have windows from here
To here. So from
to
the
here. So all is open.
all is open, and from the Helm station you have really a 360 view. So that's amazing. What can I add? A total new interior look,
Yeah, that's
new
right.
materials.
No wood.
You have, for example, this table that is with foam inside. So that's also for our savings in
And
terms of
This is carbon.
carbon pedestal. Yeah, carbon foot.
Okay, so here's the owner cabin because it's a free. You only have a free cabin version.
Yes. So you have the portal totally dedicated to the owner. So you see new style, fresh with blue touch to bring something really new.
And
So the
very
DNA.
new technical installation.
Yeah, and very new technical installations because we worked a lot on the weight to have a nice behavior of the boat. We also moved forward the engines. So you have the access,
Boss engine, batteries.
techniques, I mean everything accessible in a safe place. If you have to intervene on your engine during a sailing, you are not exposed at the bottom of the hull, you are really inside of the cabin. And you see
Well
a very
protected.
easy access thanks to the gas struts.
So, and this is new too.
A lot of fabric storage because that's also part of weight saving.
And you are absolutely
And-
everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere. We also worked on modularity. As you know, we like that at Nautitech. So for example, in few seconds, I can transform my storage into a nice desk. So if I have to work a bit, I can just transform it, add a stool, and it's a desk.
That's cool.
Fabric storage, nice wardrobe, and the connection to the big bathroom. So
Yeah, it's
everything
huge.
is bright, natural lighting, nice and fresh color, acrylic, worktop and sink, also for weight saving.
Perfect view.
Perfect view, yes,
Oh, there's a friend.
on the FP,
Another
yes.
catamaran. Guess where it is. Okay, so let's go to the.
Other side,
Wind is coming.
yeah, wind is coming, finally. So in the forward cabin, you have the possibility to have these two twins bed or to use this system to have one big double bed. So modularity again, everywhere. Fabric storage. And on the other side, aft cabin is a bit the symmetric of the owner hull. So you have this 160 per 180, 98
98, yeah.
98. Bed with the same kind of storage.
And bathroom between.
And the shared bathroom between
shared bathroom, yeah.
the two cabins.
And it's perfect for owner.
Yes, it's perfect for owners. And
Owners,
what's
yeah.
interesting is on the forward cabin, you have the possibility to dismount and remount the smart home utility.
Yeah, to change.
To change by yourself depending on the configuration and your program.
Thank you so much,
My
Maya.
pleasure,
Thank
Emmanuel.
you.
For more exclusive boat tests, sailing stories, and the latest innovations shaping the world of multihulls, visit the Multihulls World website or app and subscribe today.